welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri and we're checking out 2017 Mercedes E400 wagon. Yes, it is a station wagon. It is that one wagon that is very hard to come by, and this particular one has tons of options. So we're going to introduce you to the option list on this vehicle throughout the video. We're going to just walk around the vehicle while it's outside. We're going to take it for a quick drive and then bring it in the showroom and show you all the goodies. But the bottom line is, it is the Mercedes wagon, the legendary 7-passenger European estate wagon. This one has a lot of sport details and some amazing options, including a P3 premium package. So let's take it for a quick spin and then continue with the options in the showroom. Yes, the engine compartment, the heart of any automobile, especially the engine of this Mercedes. You have to see it. Look at the quality of this, of all the metal parts. They're so shiny, they look like absolutely brand new. And the reason for that is that, and that's probably explains the low mileage of the vehicle, is because most likely this vehicle was rarely or maybe even never driven in the winter. Because once you take it through the winter, just one winter, maybe just one quick drive on the salty road condition, and all these beautiful shiny parts, they turn oxidized, they turn gray. Very quiet inside, very quiet inside. Let's get the camera tuned. Yeah, there we are. The seat adjustments on the Mercedeses, and if you're looking at this one, you probably had Mercedeses before. If not, the seat adjustment is on the door, which is very convenient. When you get in, you don't have to fiddle with the seat, especially when the door is closed. To find those switches is nearly impossible. So with Mercedes, from back in the day, this is where the controls are, which is a little bit more expensive to do, but a lot more convenient for the driver and your passenger. Speaking of the passenger, you can adjust the passenger seat from this switch if you just press this button. So now you can move this seat around right from here. Nice detail. Prior was only seen on the S-Class. So while we're here, check out the grill of the Burmeister sound system. All the safety, not all, but just some of the safety goodies here, and more on that to come. Let's put it in drive and let's move around a little bit. Here's how the camera looks. You have a top view, you have the reverse view, you have the front view. We're moving forward now. It shows you that yes, we're going to make this clearance. We're not going to hit the Russian Niva. Check that out. Here's the Russian Niva right in front of us. There it is. There it is on the screen of the Mercedes navigation system. Well, it's not a navigation system, it's a command, which has a navigation system feature. Let's be accurate. Beautiful wood, extraordinary design and detail for the vents and for the control of the vents. Let's make sure we clear the Niva. And we're gonna go and we're ready for the test drive. Just to let you know, this car also has a Panorama Sunroof. Check out how nice this is. And here's the depth of the wagon. I am a big fan of wagons. We in the family had them since the early 90 wagons, I think 1994, and that got tested to the T-bone accident, and everybody walked out fine. The car was hit at about 40-50 miles an hour right to the B pillar, the pillar between the front and rear door. So let's talk about positive things. I'm not sure if it's visible on the screen, but there is a heads-up display showing the speed limit, showing the current speed of 24 miles an hour. There are different pieces of information we can display there. The car drives incredible. Very, very quiet and absolutely luxurious. The luxury is not just throughout the interior environment or the stylish looks, but when you get in the car, it is luxurious. It's quiet. You can feel the road without working hard as a driver. We're going to go a short test drive because we still need to get into the showroom and look at some goodies on the car. So we're in some back roads here in Boxborough near our main location on Massachusetts Avenue. Yeah, the car drives fantastic. Only 10,000 miles, essentially a brand new automobile. It still has factory warranty. You can find all the details on our website, alphacars.com, ALPHACARS.com. You can give us a call at 978-263-9000. Our website listing has all the details about the vehicle, including condition of tires and brakes, which are obviously close to new condition with only 10,000 miles. The car drives like new. There's absolutely no difference how this car drives compared to a new Mercedes Wagon. And the way Mercedes Wagon drives is different from the sedan. I have driven plenty of wagons and I've driven many, many sedans. And ironically, the Wagon, I think, has a, to me at least, feels as it has a better handling. I can only explain it that the weight ratio front to rear is very close to 50-50 with more weight in the back compared to the sedan. So this wagon with the Sport AMG wheels and nice quiet all-season tires feels awesome on the road. If I had to go cross country with the family, I would absolutely not hesitate driving a car like this or driving this exact car. It is fantastic. The interior has no imperfections. All the wood, leather surfaces, instrument cluster, center console, all those panels are in amazing clean condition. Check this out. We are parking the vehicle. Here's the camera. We can see how close we are to the vehicle in the back. Very handy feature. We're actually going to move forward a little bit. Look at the seats, climate control, dynamic, assistance, consumption, all kinds of things. So another look on the daylight. The rear of the car is very, very clean, no issues. The right side of the vehicle is very clean. Tires consistent with 10,000 miles. They look close to new condition. Right front rim, no imperfections. Very, very nice. Walking around the vehicle in the front, the bumper looks very nice. Left front rim, no imperfections. Of course, matching set of tires. And left rear rim, no imperfections, no dings, no chips. Moldings are beautiful, paint is shiny. And we're gonna check out the interior. We still have plenty of daylight. I thought it would be getting darker, so maybe we don't need to actually bring it in the showroom. It is always, I like to do overviews on the daylight. So here's the rear seats of the car. They look like they are unused. Here is the switch for the seat fold down. We have a 60-40 split. Again, beautiful leather. It's actually a premium feature in this vehicle. And speaking of premium features, this vehicle has so many premium features that I had to print a cheat sheet for myself. Here it is. Let's take a look. This is something, by the way, you can reference on our website. It has the $15,780 of additional extras on top of the base MSRP. So the total MSRP of this vehicle was almost $79,000. And some of the features I will not mention all, but they include the lunar blue metallic, the panorama sunroof. Here is this beauty. And of course it has a shade, sunshade. And this is the blue color, the lunar blue. We'll jump to the nut brown with black leather interior. Check out this beautiful seats. And again, the condition is very close to new one. Look at the curved seats, and we'll talk more about the seats because they are fully and totally adjustable. And look at all the lines and curves. The headrests that are adjustable in every direction. Then we get into the heated and ventilated front seats. So the perforated leather, the system pushes the air through, cooled air through those perforated holes. And then the sport wheel package, which includes the 5-spoke forged AMG wheels and sport rotors. Look at those huge brake discs and calipers. I don't even know how many pistons in these calipers, but there's quite a few, and massive huge rotors. Why do you need them on the on this wagon? Well, it is a high performance version with a E400, so it's a twin turbo 6-cylinder, so it does have some performance. You can gain some speed, and you may need to slow down on occasion quicker than expected. And the vehicle is a little heavier, so nothing wrong with having extra brakes in the front, which come with the what's called sport wheel package. And black headliner, if you look at that, the headliner blacked out, that's part of this package. And then we have the $11,400 premium 3 package. It is pretty much a page-long description of incredibly state-of-the-art features for safety, comfort, audio, and you name it. This is something that you simply just have to visit our website and check out what's included, what Mercedes includes for $11,400. What else? Once again, it's a gorgeous condition. It's a very hard to find vehicle. Very few wagons are produced in general, and even fewer are imported in US because a lot of people are spoiled by SUVs, and I think if more people tried wagons, there would be much more wagons on the road, because you get an insane fuel efficiency. You have an ease of driving a true luxury automobile. You have room for at least 5 to 7 individuals in the vehicle. 2 of them would have to be kind of small people, probably kids, because the seat in the back, we'll take a look at it. It's not big, but it's there. And it's nice to have it. Again, we went through 4 generations of wagons in my family. My wife loves them, and she would still be driving one. but I didn't have one to buy for her in time, so she is in the ML. But look at these cute little seats for cute little people. If you have two people to match up to these seats, they will absolutely love this environment. They will have the view of the road to themselves, and they can see the world from the rear of the Mercedes station wagon when you drive it. And it is a fun sight. So definitely keep that in mind. And even if you don't have, or if maybe your kids grew up, it's nice to have. It's a nice feature to have. You never know when you need it. And when you need it, you have it. It takes a moment. As you can see, I just unfolded them, and you can fold them back in just as quickly. Power tailgate. And do look at the lines. It truly is a statement. This does not look like a station wagon. It is a sports wagon. It is an estate wagon with a lot of safety features and in beautiful condition. And it comes with massive savings from AlphaCars. You can visit us online or simply give us a call. Thank you very much for viewing this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you enjoy other videos on our YouTube channel. And if you did, please let us know which ones you liked by clicking a little button on your screen. Thanks again.